So we got this room. We're sitting on the moon watching a real shuttle launch completely by accident. It was April 1st, though this was not an April Fool's joke. Room 382. Look at that. That is so cool, the spaceman. Hey. We're gonna sleep in there tonight. Okay, ready to go upstairs? We're going into a cave. Oh, we're on the moon. And that's our bed. Where's the command center? Oh, there's Earth. In the middle of space, with a fan on the ceiling, in the middle of space.
They should have made that look like a black hole.
Yeah, there we go. Look at that, isn't that cool? Coming out of the wall, the water. Bubbles! Nothing but bubbles! You gotta love bubbles! Yup, there it is! The lobby is cool. Of course, I had to try the dance chair out and the stylist chair as well. And in the middle of those was a huge fireplace. Now comes the coolest part of all. There's a real plane on the property that they flew in 30 years ago. They made that one public. You don't even have to stay at the hotel to go inside. I'm flying a plane! I'm in the pilot seat! Look at that. And guess who's my co-pilot? It's me. Donnie! Woohoo. Yeah, I got all these controls.
Or if that's actually doing anything back there.
This is so cool. This was such an experience. Seeing all this was awesome. If you like places like this, check out my Hidden Gem playlist.